What's going on, guys? Welcome to the first ride of 2023 on my 2022 KTM Rc 390. And I'm pretty happy to be getting out today. Last week the weather was really good, but I never really got a chance to get out. Now I got some bicyclists here in the middle of the road, not knowing what they're doing. So I am looking forward to putting a bunch of miles on this bike this year. Get it out of the break-in phase. Ride in some groups. I can't believe that the weather has been nice and this is the first day I've been able to really get out on it. And the reason for that, if you watch my videos, is I was wrapping my smart car. That kind of took a lot away from me. I wanted to get that done. Over the winter time, I got a lot of comments on my videos for my CF Moto 300 SS. A lot of you guys asking, different things about that bike. That was a pretty good bike. I do feel the KTM Rc 390 is a better bike overall. Just a better built bike. So no offense to the CF Moto 300 SS. I think it's a great beginner bike. It's an easy bike to ride. It's an easy bike to learn on. Now what's this car doing? Just kind of stopping in the middle of the road. No turn signal, no nothing, Man. So the RC390 does replace my CF Moto 300 SS, but it's more comparable to like a Ninja 400 because it has a bigger engine in it. It's a bigger bike overall. It's a heavier bike overall. A more capable bike overall. I don't have to have the fastest bike out there. I could go with like a Yamaha R1, spend all that money on a bike, which I really, compared to a car, I mean, you're getting an amazing bike for fairly inexpensive fun. This is always bumpy. There's the haunted house I've shown in other videos. So I'm just taking a little ride through the neighborhood for the first ride today. Feel the bike out a little bit. Some things new that I've done this year is I did wrap my helmet. This is the same helmet I had last year. It's my VOSS 989. I highly recommend VOSS helmets. I think they're value priced for everything you can get. They're comfortable. They're just great helmets. So if you're interested in a helmet, I do have a link to my helmet in the description below. Again, you're not going to find one colored like this because I wrapped this, and I've considered wrapping the bike in the colors that I put on the helmet. Keep it the orange, add a little bit of teal blue. Maybe mix it in with some white wrap as well. Maybe I'm getting carried away with wrapping cars and motorcycles, though. I don't know. So to kind of tell you guys what went on over the winter time, typical winter time. I don't do a lot of winter sports, so I probably should think about moving to a warmer place sometime in the future. But I ended up having a wreck in my smart car, the last one that I had, not the one that I am wrapping that you're seeing in the videos right now. And fortunately, you hear that smart cars are small but safe. That car kept me pretty safe. No injuries at all. And I thought about not buying another one, but then I was like, well, I mean, it was a pretty safe car. They're good on gas. They're actually fun to drive. So I ended up finding a whole bunch of different ones, trying to find a deal on one. And I got the one that I have, which is a 2012, just a regular smart car, not limited edition. It's a Passion, and I decided to wrap that in the color blue that I did. So check out my videos on that. I think it turned out pretty well. Still got some more work to do on it. And, like I said, I have considered wrapping this KTM Rc 390. Not really sure if I'm going to do that or not. I probably will. I just don't know if I'm going to do it this year. I mean, the bike is new, so I kind of am not ready to do it yet because I don't know if you really should wrap a brand new bike. Anyway, guys, quick video, I know. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you enjoy my video, and I will catch you on the next one.